Hello, lovely viewers. This is your girl Evee. Welcome to Tasty and Fresh Kitchen, where we prepare tasty meals with fresh ingredients. Very necessary. So today, why don't you remove this stubborn stain with me? Here. After all the frying, the inchichils and the cool mininis, my pan has this stubborn stain around it. Burnt oil, grease and stuff. So I need to clean and remove these stains for my pan to look new again with just two basic ingredients we always have at home. So I have my baking soda here and then my lemon. Very simple. And also I use my wire sponge. So let's get started. So I rinse with water and then apply my ingredients over it. So this is the baking soda. I use about 2 tablespoons. And then I also add my lemon. This is half lemon. So I apply this over it and then wait for about 5 minutes for it to soften the grease, and then work begins. So now we begin with the scrubbing. Then we need to apply a little pressure. So let's go. So here we are. My pan is looking new again. Of course, some stains can be very stubborn, but I think we can manage this. So if you like this video, kindly give your girl a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't done so. So kindly try this at home and trust me, your pants will look new again. I love you guys. God bless you for the likes, the comments and the subscriptions so far. I really appreciate you. God bless you. So we just clean it and then voila, my pan is ready for more frying. Catch you in our next video, family and friends. Bye bye.